Zachary Brushes is a hand-trimmed Canadian brush. They're hand-trimmed in Canada. So what they've designed is really awesome. Have these brushes, and they hand-trim every brush. Now, it's kind of hard to get focus on my camera. So what they've done is they've included in the flexibility. Unique soft flex. Because as painters, you know, your flex is mad. Like, look at this. You got a lot of wiggle in that. And that's in the ultra soft flex. This is the medium flex. There's not a lot of flex in there. So what that means is it's going to allow you to apply more paint on the wall or the surface that you're painting, which as a painter is a great thing. They're easy to clean. And I'm telling you, with exterior, when you find a brush that's easy to clean, it's great. It means it's built well. Second thing is the release that you're getting on your wall is amazing.